Milo loved to draw. He would spend hours sketching castles, dragons, and flying cats. One rainy afternoon, while searching in his attic, he found an old dusty paintbrush hidden inside a wooden box. As soon as he held it, the brush whispered, "Let's make your art come alive." Milo gasped. "You can talk?" "Only to artists with big imaginations," the brush replied with a wink. He dipped it into his colors and painted a bright red dragon. Suddenly, the dragon blinked and let out a playful roar. Milo laughed in surprise. He painted a floating island, a rainbow waterfall, and even a sky full of glowing balloons. Everything he painted came to life. His room turned into a living adventure. But when the clock struck bedtime, the brush said, "Time to rest, Milo. Dreams need painters too." The next morning, everything was back to normal, but the magic brush stayed beside his bed, waiting. From that day on, Milo's world was never dull. With imagination and his talking paintbrush, every day was a new masterpiece.